Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Lego Horizon Adventure game is crashing, freezing or lagging on your PC. Guys, I will show you the very effective solution. So first make a right click on your taskbar, you'll see the task manager, open it, then go to the startup application. Now guys, here simply disable all the background application you are seeing here, because when you start your PC, these application start automatically without permission and causing a lot of CPU time usage and causing your game crash, freeze or the lagging issues. So make a right click on all of these that are useless and just disable these, then simply restart your PC, then launch the game, then check your problem is fixed or not. If not, then just open up the Steam, click on the Lego Horizon game, then just click on the gear icon, go to your game property. Now here just uncheck the box of Steam overlay, then simply launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. If not, then just update your game as patches may fix the problem. Still not working, then just go to the updates, then simply click on the verify integrate your game files. It will take some time, so just wait for it, then simply restart your PC, then launch the game, then check guys your problem is fixed or not. If not, then just click on the browse option. Now here simply locate your game launcher. So make a right click on your game launcher and just go to its properties. Now just go to the compatibility tab. Now here just uncheck this box. Also uncheck this box and just check the box of administrator. Then just click on apply. Now launch the game. Then check problem is fixed or not. If your problem is not fixed, then just check the box of disable full screen optimization. Now launch the game. Then check problem is fixed or not. If not, then just check the box of compatibility mode. Choose at the Windows 8. Now just click on apply. Now launch the game. Then check problem is fixed or not. Guys, if your problem is still not fixed, then simply update your Windows or graphic card drivers. Once you update your Windows or graphic card drivers, simply restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. Guys, these are the fixes to fix this problem. And if this video is helpful for you, so please consider liking this video. And bye bye and take care.